Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn how to sign the days of the week. BSL keyword sign Monday. Let's try Monday. One more. Monday. BSL keyword sign Tuesday. Let's try Tuesday. One more. Tuesday. BSL keyword sign Wednesday. Let's try Wednesday. One more. Wednesday. You're doing great. BSL keyword sign Thursday. Let's try Thursday. One more. Thursday. BSL keyword sign Friday. Let's try Friday. One more. Friday. BSL keyword sign Saturday. Let's try Saturday. One more. Saturday. BSL keyword sign Sunday. Let's try Sunday. One more. Sunday. Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together. Monday. One more. Monday. Tuesday. One more. Tuesday. Wednesday. One more. Wednesday. Thursday. One more. Thursday. Friday. One more. Friday. Saturday. One more. Saturday. Sunday. One more. Sunday. Should we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.